Ever wondered why your stomach growls when you're hungry? It's not actually your stomach crying for food. The sound comes from muscles in your stomach and intestines squeezing to move food, liquid, and gas along. These contractions are called peristalsis. Even if your stomach is empty, the process continues, making those rumbling noises, also known as borborygmi. So next time your belly rumbles, it's just your digestive system hard at work, not a sign it's embarrassed. If you learned something new, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick facts.